Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel. And in this short video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a two-color braided cast on. This is unique cast on method and you will get the braid from one side and from another side. And first of all you can use this method for brioche projects, for brioche technique. I know there are many cast on methods, two-color cast-on method, for example Italian or brioche, but this one will be a little bit different. And look, the braid that you will get, as I said, from one side and from another side. And to be able to start this cast on you will need two different colors, the yarn with two different colors. Here I was using, you see, beige and pink. Now I'm going to use white and gray. For this example I'm using medium worsted weight yarn and 4mm knitting needles. So to start, put two strands together and make a loop in this way that the working yarn, not the tail, the working yarn is above the tail. Now insert the needle from back to front, pull the loop, and now take the working yarn into your left hand in this way. So you see the white loop is the first one and the white strand is the first one as well. One more time. White loop and white strand. Insert the needle into the first, in my case it is white one. Go underneath the white strand and pick up the gray strand and knit the first stitch and drop it off the needle. Now you see that the gray strand is the first one. Now we are going to make a yarn over in the same way. Just go underneath the gray strand, pick up white one and make a yarn over. And now do the same what you did with the first loop. Insert the hook into the gray loop, go underneath the gray strand, pick up the white one and knit it. And that's what you have. You have 3 stitches on your right hand needle now. The first one is gray and next two are white. Return last stitch to the left hand needle. So this is the white one. It means that the white strand will be the first one, the nearest on your index finger. Now you make again a yarn over, pick up the gray strand going underneath the white one. Now insert the needle into the next stitch underneath the white and knit the stitch with the gray color and pull a little bit. Now you have 2 gray stitches. Return 1 gray stitch and repeat what we did the same. Make a yarn over with the white color by going underneath the gray strand, pick up the white color and then knit the next stitch going underneath again the gray strand and picking up the blue strand and knit it. Again, now you have two stitches, two white stitches, return one stitch to the left hand needle. First of all, make a yarn over, going under, picking up the gray strand, and now again going under and knit this stitch. Return and repeat. Make a yarn over, going underneath the gray strand and picking up the white one, and again underneath and knit it. So if you have a white stitch, it means you're going to work with a gray strand. If you have a gray stitch on your left hand needle, then you're going to work with white strand. So make a yarn over, going underneath the white strand and knit the next stitch, again underneath and pull. Return. So this is the gray stitch and we are going to work with white yarn, white strand, yarn over and knit. And that's what we have. You see already braid from one side and from another side, but let me show you a little bit more. I hope I'm not doing it too fast. Let's try slowly. First yarn over and then knit one. Again yarn over and then knit. Let's look again the braid here, and if you turn one more here. And now I want to show you how to finish. At the end you will always have two stitches in same color, so return the last stitch and you don't make a yarn over here and just knit the last stitch, going again underneath the white strand and picking up the gray one and knit the stitch. So that's it. Like this, at the end you see white and then gray color. That's it, guys. Now you can use this method for all your projects, whatever you want to do, brioche or double knitting, or just make the edge of your project look prettier. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this tutorial with me. If you want to check how to knit a brioche scarf, cable scarf, uh, of course double colored, where I'm going to use the same cast on method, please check my YouTube channel and you will find video of beautiful cable scarf. Thank you again. Please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and I will see you soon in my next video tutorial.